This is what tarabastum. You kept procrastinating. Now what does that mean? That means you realized it's bad, and you also realized in your own conscience, I should change, but you told yourself, I'll change pretty soon, inshallah. I'm gonna change. I know I have to change. I know this is bad. Just one more week, and I'm gonna be a different person. Man, just this semester, I got these messed up friends right now, and I can't really make them upset, so I'm gonna keep hanging out with them. But next semester, I'm totally doing a different schedule. I'm not gonna be around these guys anymore. But just let me just write out this semester. Just this one more month I'm doing this, just this one more weekend, just this one or two more party, just one or two more drinks. That you keep telling yourself just a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and then people tell my favorite one, Ramadan is right around the corner. It's just 10 more months, 11 more months, Once Ramadan comes, man, I'll be totally different. And I plan to go to Hajj. Once I go to Hajj, you watch, I'm going to be a different person. But until then, just make dua for me. Tarabastum. You didn't want to make a change today, right now. You assumed, not only are you putting yourselves in a bad environment, you're not ready to make a transformation right now. It's too much for you to be asked. You'd rather just stick it out. You'd rather just enjoy a little bit more.